Hello YouTubers, welcome to Holpole Sunshine Coast Railway channel. Is Holpole speaking? Well, yesterday my two P class 060s arrived from Hattons, and boy, aren't they fantastic. I think this little blue model of Bluebell has to be one of the most exquisite 00 models ever produced, I really do. Are they worth £99? Well, in today's market, yes, I think they are. Hattons have obviously gone to a lot of trouble with these locos, and what I like about it is the fact that we didn't have to wait years, in fact donkey's years, for the model to appear. They got all their homework done, got some engineering samples, showed them to us, and a few months later, here they are. I wonder how many of you tried to guess. I'm sure you've seen that photograph of the truck and the forklift truck offloading those models from the lorry. How many do you reckon there were on there? I reckon there's 40 cartons. And I'd say, because they're very small boxes, I'd say there's probably 100 in each carton. So that's, what, 4,000 models? £100 a pop. That's 400 grand. Of course, they won't sell them all at once, but they're so nice. I'm even tempted to, if I can afford it, to buy some more. God, they're lovely. I love watching them roaming around the track. I've got two. The other one's on the other main track, and that's the black version, BR version. I'll show you that in a minute. Now, I have put no crew in these as yet, so we'll have to pretend that the loco and fireman are there, but I will be doing that at some later stage. Okay, well I'll close this part off now, and we'll go over and have a look at the black one quickly before I show you them going around the layout. As is my usual habit, I've put in about 3 or 4 photographs from my extensive collection of them in active service, including one in Kingston Wharves. Now, I'm not sure where that is, whether it's Tilbury Docks or whatever, but a very lovely photograph in colour, so I'll show you that. Alright, well I'm going to pause now and go over to the other model. See you later. YouTubers, I'm back again just to show you my BR black version, number 31027, with the early BR crest on it. Lovely little job. I don't know whether I'm going to weather them or not. I just prefer to leave them as they are, to be honest with you. And oh Bob, did you see that black county just go past then? That's an old dapple glossy back county class. I have shown it to you before. earlier on. So there's no crew in her as yet. And talking about some of the gestation times for some of these locomotives, I have been hanging out for the Barkman H2 Brighton Atlantic. Now seriously folks, that was announced, I checked on the internet, it was announced in August 2013, and already we're up to 2018 and already it's been put back twice. The latest is September this year. Give me a break. I did write to Barkman and they very kindly wrote back, very promptly I must say, and apologised, and apparently there was a problem with the tooling, in as much that they carried on one of the splashes onto the cab, whereas it should have been completely separate on the last driving wheel, so on and so forth. Reminds me a bit of that episode of Basil Fawlty, the American, where Mr. Fawlty is trying to explain why it's got no chef in the kitchen. Oh dear. But anyway, let's get back to these lovely little jobs. As I said, I think they're beautiful, and if I can afford to buy some more different versions, well, I'm going to. All right, well now what I'm going to do is just show you. They're both on the bird cage sets, by the way. I had to mortgage the house to buy those too. So anyway, I'm going to close off now and say thank you very much for watching this, if you do watch it, and I'll be back again soon with some more videos, hopefully, if I can get round to it. And you can just watch them going around on my layout, the two different versions. All right, thanks very much everybody. I'll see you later in the next clip. Bye for now.